Secular Javelin is the first ever outbound attack simulator that allows security professionals to determine how well their secure web gateways, next-generation firewalls, or proxies prevent the latest real-world attacks from communicating with their perpetrators' command and control servers. Javelin was created in response to research performed by Secular Labs that found that the most popular web gateways remain susceptible to attacks. Secular analyzed over 200 billion communications generated by over 2 million users of the Secular attack detection platform in the last 12 months. We found that 2% of examined devices were infected with malware. These devices generated nearly 5 million malicious outbound communications while attempting to exfiltrate data. Of those 5 million attempted communications, more than 40% succeeded in communicating with the attack's perpetrator, presenting a clear and present danger to the attack's targets. To arm organizations against these attacks, Secular created the Javelin Attack Simulator to provide visibility into how secure web gateway and proxy solutions react to currently active attacks. Javelin works by simulating the outbound communications generated by the latest real-world attacks as they attempt to communicate with their perpetrators. At no point is any real malware introduced to the user's network. Each Javelin test emulates the behavior of a single attack and observes whether or not the associated gateway blocks or allows the communication through the perimeter. The complete Javelin test takes less than 2 minutes to complete and will simulate the top 12 most malicious attacks found by the Secular detection platform and report the results on each one individually. The attacks included in Javelin are updated weekly, and their behaviors and communication destinations are updated daily. To date, 75% of Javelin users found that their perimeter defenses allowed at least 10 of the 12 simulated attacks to communicate with their associated command and control servers. Fortunately, Secular offers an update package service to allow Javelin users to proactively contain the successful attacks that Javelin identifies. The update package contains details about the simulated attacks, a license to run unlimited attack simulations, as well as a package of fixes to update your gateway solution to contain the attacks should live versions present themselves later. So, if you would like to know how well your perimeter defenses are or aren't protecting you from the effects of modern malicious attacks, run the Secular Javelin Attack Simulator today. You'll know within minutes whether or not you're actually safe from the nastiest attacks currently targeting enterprise networks.